Leather jackets are more than just fashion items, they are symbols of style, durability, and craftsmanship. But have you ever wondered how a premium leather jacket is actually made inside a mega factory? Today, we take you behind the scenes of a large scale leather jackets manufacturing facility where raw animals' hides are transformed into stylish, high quality jackets worn all around the world. This is complete step-by-step process of how a leather jacket is made in a mega factory. Once selected, the raw hides are sent to the tanning section. Tanning is a process that converts raw animal skin into usable leather. First, the hides are cleaned thoroughly to remove hair, fat, and impurities. Then they are placed inside large rotating industrial drums filled with water and tanning chemicals. These chemicals prevent decompositions and make the leather soft, flexible, and long lasting. This process can take several days depending on the type of leather being produced. After tanning, the leather becomes strong, resistant to moisture, and suitable for fashion manufacturing. After tanning, the leather is dyed to achieve the desired color. Black, brown, tan, and custom fashion colors are carefully applied using controlled industrial dyeing machines. The leather then goes through a finishing process where its surface is treated to enhance smoothness, shine, and softness. Some jackets receive a matte finish while other gets a glossy or vintage look. This stage gives the leather its final appearance and feel. Now, the fashion design process begins. Professional designers create jacket style based on market trends and brand identity. Using computer-aided design software or manual technique, precise patterns are developed for different jacket sizes. Each pattern piece represents a specific part of the jacket, such as sleeves, collar, back panel, and pockets. Accuracy in pattern making is essential because it determines the fits, comforts, and symmetry of the final jacket. Once patterns are ready, the die leather sheets are moved to the cutting section. The patterns are placed carefully on the leather to minimize waste. Cutting is done using skilled worker hydraulic presses or advanced laser cutting machines. Each cut piece must match the design exactly. Even a small mistake can affect the jacket's shapes and quality. After cutting, all leather pieces are grouped together for stitching. This is where the jackets start to take shapes. The leather pieces are stitched together using heavy-duty industrial sewing machines specially designed for thick materials. Experienced operators saw panel, sleeves, collar, and pocket with strong, durable threads. Leather stitching required precision because needle holes are permanent. Every stitch must be perfectly aligned to ensure strength and visual appeal. After basic stitching, the inner lining is added. The lining improves comfort, insulation, and durability. Next, accessories such as zipper, button, snap, and metal stud are installed. High quality hardware is used to match the jacket's premium look and long life. Pockets are reinforced, cuffs are adjusted, and collar are shaped during this stage. The stitch jacket now goes through shaping and pressing. Using steam presses and mannequins, the jacket is molded into its final form. This step removes wrinkles and improves fit. Heat and steam help the leather relax and settle into a natural, comfortable shape. Before packaging, every jacket undergoes strict quality inspection. Inspector checks stitching strength, leather surface, color consistency, size accuracy, and overall finishing. Any defective jackets is sent back for correction or rejection. This step ensures that only flawless products reach customers. Once approved, brand labels, size tags, and care instruction label are attached. These labels provide information about leather care, washing instruction, and product authenticity. Branding adds identity and market value to the jacket. Finally, the jackets are carefully folded and packed. Some premium jackets are packed in protective covers to prevent scratches and moisture damage. The packaged jackets are then stored in warehouses and shipped worldwide to retail stores and customers. From raw animal hides to stylish fashion wear, the journey of a leather jacket is perfect combination of craftsmanship, technology, and design. Every step in the mega factory plays a crucial role in producing durable, comfortable, and fashionable leather jackets. Next time you wear a leather jacket, you'll exactly how much skill and effort went into making it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mega Factory and manufacturing documentaries.